Hey there, lovebirds! Marriage is like a workshop. One person works and the other shops. But really, it's a lifelong experiment in finding out how much two people can love, laugh, and occasionally annoy each other. Imagine a typical day in marriage. One partner is busy fixing things around the house, tightening loose screws, mowing the lawn, and washing the car, feeling accomplished and productive. Meanwhile, the other partner is out shopping, coming home with bags full of items they needed, or so they claim. Later, they meet and compare their achievements for the day. The fixer proudly shows the spotless yard and the smoothly running faucet, while the shopper flashes new shoes or kitchen gadgets. Both feel they've contributed, but in very different ways. The humor here is that in a marriage, the balance of work can sometimes feel lopsided, but in the end, both roles are important. One keeps the house running, the other keeps the house full of life, and maybe a few extra items. It's a playful reminder that marriage is about appreciating each other's unique ways of contributing, even if it's not always what you expect. So, next time you find yourself in a workshop scenario, just remember, whether you're tightening screws or shopping for shoes, both of you are crafting a beautiful shared life together. And that, my friends, is the magic of marriage. Keep loving, keep laughing, and keep appreciating each other. Until next time, stay happy and keep the spark alive.